Thinking about upgrading to the iPhone 17 Pro Max? Before you drop over $1,000, let's find out if Apple's newest flagship is truly worth it, or if last year's 16 Pro Max still gives you incredible value for the price. You'll find Amazon links for both models down in the description. Let's start with performance. The iPhone 17 Pro Max runs on Apple's new A19 Pro chip, built on a 2nm process. It's around 20% faster and up to 30% more power efficient than the A18 Pro inside the 16 Pro Max. That means slightly faster app launches, smoother gaming, and better multitasking. But in day-to-day use, the difference is small. Unless you're a heavy gamer or video editor, the 16 Pro Max still feels lightning fast. Now, let's talk cameras, where most upgrades happen. The 17 Pro Max gets a redesigned 48-megapixel main sensor with larger pixels and better low-light performance. The new 5x telephoto lens captures sharper long-range shots, and the upgraded Smart HDR7 system gives you more natural color and smoother highlights, especially in dim lighting. But it's more refinement than revolution. For video, though, Apple added Cinematic HDR+, which improves highlights and shadow detail for an even more film-like look. If you're a content creator, you'll appreciate that. Next up, battery life. Apple squeezed in a slightly larger cell and paired it with that efficient A19 chip, so you'll get roughly an extra hour of screen-on time. It also supports MagSafe 3, charging to 50% in under 20 minutes. It's a noticeable but not massive improvement. Now for the display. Both phones use a 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR panel with 120Hz ProMotion, but the 17 Pro Max pushes brightness up to 2000 nits outdoors and trims the bezels just a bit. It feels more immersive, but the 16 Pro Max's display is still one of the best on the market. Let's move to design and build. Apple kept the titanium frame but softened the edges, making the 17 Pro Max more comfortable in hand. It's slightly lighter and comes in new finishes like titanium slate and deep cobalt. The action button is also more capable. You can now program multiple shortcuts or camera modes. Finally, let's talk price and value. The iPhone 17 Pro Max starts around $1,199, while the 16 Pro Max now sells for roughly $950. If you crave the latest tech, improved camera features, and slightly better battery life, the 17 Pro Max is worth the premium. But if you want flagship performance, top-tier cameras, and that same premium design at a lower cost, the 16 Pro Max is still one of the smartest buys of 2025. Either way, you're getting an incredible device. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit subscribe for more smart tech breakdowns.